Welcome, students of Form 4. Yes, welcome. We're going to look at free villages, free peasants, and crime colony governance. And we're going to look at these verbs like evaluating, assessing, and explaining. And I'm going to look at this topic, the following, explaining adoption of crown colony governments. So where did it came from and why was it adopted in the British Caribbean? Yes, and adopting means here why did they use it? Why did they get it and got rid of their old system? So why did they adopt? Why did they take this new system as their system of government? Crown colony government. Let's look at the objective. Old representative government described in a minimum of 8 phrases, so more would be better, a bare minimum of 8 phrases, how the old representative government governed the island of the British West Indies by incorporating the key words of governor, elected assembly, annual budget, and assembly's support. And annual means here each year. So there are 4 key words that have to come back in your answer. 4 of them, as you'll see. Okay, let's look at the answer, but first referring back to the question. So the old representative system governed the islands West Indies by. Yes, so governed the islands in the West Indies by. First, we refer back to the question. Second part, by a governor who presided the government. The governor was advised by an executive council. Part 2. The assembly was elected, but the voters were only those who had enough property. Large parts of the population could not vote. Amongst them, the majority, the most of the Afro-Caribbeans in the British Caribbean. So we see here, the governor is here, he's over there, and we have gone to the elected assembly over here. Part 3 of the answer, going towards the annual budget and the assembly's support. The governor normally passed all laws in this system of government. The assembly, though, often had control over the colony's annual budget. Every year, each year, there was a vote about this topic. What's going to be the budget of this year? And then part 4, the last part, the governor needed the support of the assembly. Assembly's support is coming back at the time of voting about the budget each year. If he didn't have the support of the elected assembly, the money wouldn't be allocated. In Dutch we would say toegewezen. It wouldn't be allowed to spend the money, and the government couldn't pay salaries, or even buy supplies that the government needed. So we see here, we have also the support of the assembly, and we have also the annual budget, coming back. Annual budget and the support of the assembly. So each of the 4 key words or the key subject points are coming back into the answer. And it is in 8 phrases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, even more. So we have 8 phrases. The 4 topics are coming back. And at the test itself, you would earn now 12 points. That's a lot. If you want to subscribe, do that below. If you have questions, you can also ask them below. You can also ask questions during class or put them into Google Classroom. I hope you've found this video educational and informative and that you've learned something of it, and I hope to see you during class.